Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here you have normal system, you have hexochloride and you have 3 endo and hexomethyl bonds. You're reacting with tin tetrachloride. You have to guess what will be the final product. The answer lies in the neighboring group participation and steric effect. First step of the reaction, chlorine is the good leaving group, sigma bond assists the leaving group, you have the cation formation. This cation is the bridged cation, it has extra stability due to the sigma bond resonance. So you have new architecture. Here the reaction goes from tertiary to secondary because of the stability as well as NGP. So if you read nicely, you have the cation formation at the side chain. Again the chlorine attacks where the chlorine will attack endo or exo. Endo is less steric when compared to exo. Bulky methyl don't allow exo. That's what our final product. The concept you have to learn here is the neighboring group participation is strong even it overrides the stability of cation. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, comment below.